How to know who stalks you on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Go to your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then at the top right corner, you will find footstep-like option. Click on it. Click on Turn On at the bottom. After you turn this on, you will be able to know who stalks you on TikTok as you will find their account in here. Also, if you stalk anybody's account, they will also be able to view you have stalked them on TikTok. And this is how to know who stalks you on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.